handa ka na bang ipakita sa harap ng live audience?
Actually, yes. Yes, handa ako.
Okay.
In fact, sa sobrang handa ako, I'll use my lapel.
Okay.
In fact, sa sobrang handa ko, Mon, ang gusto kong mangyari sa televiewers and si Direk, kausap ko ngayon, gusto ko, this shot lang. Ito yung sinasabi kong one continuous shot. No video edits.
Okay,
No
ito lang
changing
daw,
of camera. Okay? So here's the 2 decks of cards.
Okay.
I have the blue and the red. In fact, this is brand new. Hindi ko ginamit yung mga barahang magic cards. Hindi ko ginamit yung cards na nasa bag ko. This is brand new bago ako pumunta.
Naka-plastic pa.
Yes, it is sealed. Direct pakita natin na it is sealed. Can you see
Naka-plastic pa nga
that?
kanina.
It is sealed, yes. Naka-plastic pa nga.
Okay.
Alright? Alright? Are we good? Alright.
Clear yan.
Mon, before anything else, meron ba tayong pinag-usapan para for clarity? Kasabwat ba kita dito or anything?
Wala. Nag-memorize ako ng skills kanina.
Do you swear, Mon? Do you swear?
Yes.
Alright, alright. I think that's fair. This is one continuous shot. Mon, what do you want? The blue deck or the red deck?
Mga kapuso, anong gusto nyo? Blue or red? Red? Blue? Or red daw?
Red. Alright, we use the red deck. Mon, wala nagpuwersa sa'yo, right? Mga kapuso, red
Wala,
yan. Alright. Mon, I want you to hold the sealed brand new red deck. Mon, while holding that one, I want you to think one card inside your mind. Can you think? Can you think right
Any.
now? Any. Do you have it? Are you good? You have. Alright. Alright, ang gagawin natin ngayon, I have here a piece of paper. Actually, it's like a tissue paper. I'll cover it, alright? The sealed deck and brand new deck. No cuts, mga kapuso. Wala pong putol. Mon, it's okay that I can see kung ano yung barang nasa isip mo ngayon. Are you confirmed with that?
Yeah.
Are you? Alright, good.
Okay
Right
daw.
here, is it a tao or a number? Or kung ano yung card na nasa isip mo?
Magpapakita sa'yo.
It's okay. The deck is sealed. Brand new po yan. Hindi pa natin binubuksan. Alright? It's okay that I can see. Are you confirmed with that, Mon?
Yes.
Alright. Pakita natin sa televiewers. What's this? Direct, paki-zoom in nga po.
Ay, sorry. Hindi malaki yung...
Yes. Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige po, direct, pakita natin. I believe it's, what?
5 of hearts.
5 of hearts. Alright. Right. Here we go. Watch. Lighter here, Mon. Lighter.
Okay. First time to for me.
This is live, mga kapuso. Spirit of Fire. Give me sign kung ano yung card ni Raymond.
May mga nag-react dito sa front row.
We'll open the seal.
Kailangan talaga may fire.
Yes.
Importante daw yun. Okay.
Is this clear?
Okay. Ayun na po. Tinatanggal na.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Mon, 5 of hearts is your card, right?
Yes.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Go ahead, Mon. Get it.
Wow! Mga kapuso, ito lang po ang sunog sa lahat ng card sa loob.
It is brand new, Mon. It is brand new.
Si Sweet nagre-react dito. Grabe! Maraming salamat, Berwin. Kakaiba yun. That's amazing. No camera tricks, mga kapuso. Klarong-klaro na nakasupot pa kanina.
Yes, it is sealed. It is sealed, yeah.
Alright, maraming salamat, Berwin. Congratulations. Talaga pong totoo ang mga magic na ito.
Thank you po.
Last question, how do you feel with all your achievements now? Nakapag-produce ka ng sarili mong magic show?
Sa totoo lang, gusto ko sana ibaba yung shades kasi naiiyak ako. Kasi sa sobrang tuwa, sa lahat ng naniniwala, you know what? Ang dami po nag-email, isang mabilis lang. Marami pong salamat sa inyo. And yung website ko, berwinmailey.com, ginagawa na yan para sa inyong lahat yan, fans. And thank you so much, GMA, Showbiz Central. And
maraming salamat.
To the project, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Ayan po, 5 of hearts, sunog. Kitang-kita nating lahat. Samantala, Showbiz Central.
Showbiz.